Hello everyone, my name is Joyce McTeer and welcome back to my channel. I want to thank y'all for clicking onto this video. Okay y'all, this is an upcoming earring that I made using some cardstock, okay? I got so excited about this particular earring right here y'all, that I had to showcase it tonight. Now, I will be uploading the video sometime tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening. But I'm just coming to y'all to just show y'all what we will be creating next from cardstock, okay? It's going to be these babies right here. Y'all, it took me a minute to do these earrings. So I'm asking all of you, when you click on to do this video, to do these earrings, please make sure that you watch the full video entirely, because I'm going to be showing you how to create these step by step, okay? Now, the cardboard earrings that I have been taking me at least 25 minutes long to do. It takes much longer to make stuff out of cardboard than me just uploading and doing something from just regular fabric. And it's because of the details. It's more details that come along with creating cardstock earrings. To me, anyway, that's just my own personal opinion. But I will be coming to you all tomorrow with this. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to be early in the morning or later in the day or Tuesday evening. I'm not really sure, but I just wanted to come to you all to show y'all that this is the next pair of earrings that we will be creating. Okay, and they look like they may look like they're not heavy at all. They're not heavy at all. But I just wanted to come and show you all what I have been working on. This stuff takes time, y'all. And I want to thank y'all for watching. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell on the side. Please like and share my videos, y'all. Yes. So for those of you who are new, please subscribe. Hit that bell on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will be notified. And I will be uploading this video sometime tomorrow. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome evening, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.